In this video, I will guide you on how to make Snapchat video call better quality. First, make sure that Snapchat is updated to latest version. Launch open Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar. Here, type Snapchat and search for that. If you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. After that, open Snapchat, log into your account. Now, you want to look for the HD mode. If it is available, go ahead and select that option. After that, turn off data saver in Snapchat. For that, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on this gear icon to open up settings. Now scroll to find data saver and select that. Make sure that this option is turned off. This allows Snapchat to use more data for higher video quality. For the best call quality, use a strong and stable Wi-Fi network or reliable mobile data. If your connection is weak, try switching networks or move to an area with better signal. Finally, restart your Snapchat after making these changes. Once your phone has been restarted, open Snapchat and make your video call again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.